Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. I love you all and you love us so beautiful design. You like Toylin's designs and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear lovely friends, hope you are well, will be fine and you will be great. May Allah keep you all laughing and keep smiling and keep happy in the same way. Amen. So my dear lovely friend, this video is totally help with you, and today I am showing our trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, so stylish, most wearing and demanding articles and beautiful crochet poncho designs. So dear lovely friends, I must suggest you gorgeous videos. You will find trendy ideas of videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My dear lovely friends, after thinking you press you will get the notification of my videos and you will never miss the video in any collection of my channel. So dear lovely friends, I will try my best to show you my ideas. Thanks for watching.